All right, we're out here with Imagination Station. I've got safety glasses. We're putting these on. You know it's gonna get messy here. I've got a rain jacket I've got to put on as well. What are we gonna be doing this morning?
Good morning.
Good morning.
We are preparing for our favorite camp of the year, Super Splatter Science.
Super Splatter Science.
That's right, it's our messy camp. But this year we're kicking it up with a brand new camp. It's Super Splatter Science 2.0.
You get like giddy when this comes around, don't you?
It's very exciting for us down at the station there. And you know what? I thought we'd start off with a really cool experiment that we do during our first Super Splatter Science camp.
Okay.
Which is going on right now. It's called a ball plosion. So I've got some liquid nitrogen right here in a 2-liter bottle. Okay, and I've got this trash can with about 6 inches of water at the bottom. And I've got some play balls here. So this is called our ball plosion.
This is going to be interesting.
Okay, now liquid nitrogen is constantly vaporizing, changing from a liquid to a gas and expanding.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to cap this and I'm going to ask you to, as soon as I drop this in our bucket here, you're going to pour those balls on top.
So you go there, I go there.
Correct.
Okay.
You ready?
All right, I think we're ready.
All right, get those balls. I'm going to start screwing
we're
on the top
and
here.
just dump them all in right away.
Dump them all in, and I'm going to grab this all in quickly, and we're going to take a few steps backwards.
Uh-oh, get ready.
There we go. So you can hear it crackling on the inside.
Yeah, it's like
expanding
fizzing.
in about 3, 2, 1.
Got one. Haha.
That's called our ball plosion, and you can see the amount of power. Okay, that comes
That
from
was
that
like
explosion.
a cannon shot.
Okay, so what's happening is that liquid nitrogen is expanding and expanding.
Yep.
It actually takes up about a cup of liquid nitrogen, but when it expands into a gas, will actually fill up the volume of one of those trash cans.
Inside of there, and then obviously when the gas is released, that causes the explosion
That causes
to happen.
the explosion to happen. So I thought
Poor balls. There you go.
we would change it up a little bit. This is actually something that we're doing in Super Splatter Science 2.0.
Okay.
Okay. And
I
this
see
is
some
called
dye. Uh-oh.
A depth charge is what we call it. Okay, so I've got some coloring here that I've got 30 gallons of water in this drum.
You want me to pour this guy in
Go
there
ahead,
so we
pour
can
it
see
all
it?
in there.
Okay.
This is going to help us visualize what's happening. And I've got that same 2-liter. Okay, we'll get rid of this.
Put that out of there.
We got the same 2-liter, but I have affixed it to another 2-liter that's filled with sand and water. Okay, so that is going
what's
to,
this going to do?
That's going to sink our 2-liter all the way down
okay.
to the bottom, and we're going to create that giant bubble, basically, with
Yep.
all that gas all at once underneath 30 gallons of
I was going to say,
water.
because when I think depth charge, I think submarine, so we're kind of taking
So it's
this
going
down
to go
in
all the way
water,
to the bottom,
okay?
and then we're going to have that pretty exuberant reaction.
So we're going to be doing the same thing with, dye here. All right,
and
let's
I have
see.
lost my cup. There it is.
There it is. It got lost in the
So
explosion.
I'm going to go ahead and fill this up, and it's pretty incredible that all of this happens instantaneously, pretty much. So that cup of liquid nitrogen turns into about 40 gallons worth of volume of gas.
I have a feeling
which is
we're going to be
pretty
taking
amazing.
another step back here.
Yes, we're going to have to move a little bit far away. I brought us some raincoats here.
I see
so
that.
we,
Anytime that we have raincoats on an Imagination Station here, this is going to be interesting.
So
All right,
that
so you're
we
filling
don't-
this up.
So we
now
don't
the other
dye
side,
you green for
Yep.
TV.
And you said the other side has sand in it, so it's going to sink to the bottom.
It's going to sink all the way to the bottom. So we're going to get that really awesome reaction.
It just
all
looks
the way
cool
down
out here
at the
too. We got
bottom.
like,
And I think we're almost there. We got a little bit more. And then we're
okay,
good
you've
to
got
go.
this pre-marked here, so we
this
can
is
fill this
liquid
up.
nitrogen 320 degrees below zero. So the reason why it's vaporizing is because it's changing from a liquid to a gas.
It's warming up
because
very
it's about
quickly.
400 degrees hotter out here than it is
Sure.
inside. All right, are you ready, Ryan?
So we're going to be moving way back.
We're gonna go that way, I think.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
I'm already
I'm gonna
taking my
drop-
steps back.
I got that sealed up. I'm
Here
gonna
I go.
put that down there. I'm gonna grab this, and we're going to walk away.
Very
Now
quickly.
you may want to put your hood up here, Ryan. Okay, so that liquid nitrogen boiling away, changing from a liquid to a gas, and you never quite know when this is going to happen. It's hard to judge these ones.
You don't time this one?
It's hard to time that one.
Oh,
Just like that. Isn't that
it looks
amazing?
like St. Patrick's Day now.
All right, so all of that gas, all at once, going up into the air, creating a 44-gallon bubble, basically, launching all that up into the air.
Now this was cool, especially to see in person. I hope through TV it looked just as cool for the kids that want to come out here. How do we get them signed up?
They can go to our website, imaginationstationtoledo.org.
Yep.
There's still some spots left for Super Splatter Science 2.0. This is just one of the really awesome experiments that we do throughout the week.
And you get to see some cool construction going on downtown Toledo.
Fantastic.
All right, Imagination Station, lots of fun. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Appreciate you blowing up half the parking lot. All right, we're going to be right back right after this.